Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off faster scroll speed on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. On your accessibility settings, first click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Here you will find accessibility settings, click on it, and here just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off faster scroll speed on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.